Today, I'm out here at one of our flagship universities, University High School, with Principal Georgino. What is happening today? I see you got some numbers on. What's going on?
Today is our Trojan Trot, the third annual Trojan Trot. It's a PTSA fundraiser, trying to bring in money for all our various programs and allow PTA to do a lot of great things for our school community.
Thank you for all participating in the third annual Trojan Trot podcast, sponsored by the University High PTSA.
Now, I know you've been doing some re-envisioning here over at University High School. Can you tell us what the motto is?
So the motto of Uni is Forward as One. It's something we created this year, really embracing the sense of community, of unity, of moving forward together, of being resilient together, and really just tackling whatever challenges we have as a school community.
Today on the 5K, what is like the hope for today?
My hope for today is to run all the way through without passing out. And if I could beat 29:50, then that's a win, because that's what I got last year.
Okay, and then together we'll move forward as one.
Together we move forward.
Forward as one.